Chef Kids Cooking. Welcome, my friends. Today, we're making yummy fruit kabobs. Are you ready? Let's go. First, wash your hands. Now, here are our fruits: strawberries, bananas, grapes, apples, and kiwi. So colorful. Time to cut the fruits into bite-sized pieces. Ask a grown-up to help you. Be careful. Now let's make our kabobs. Pick any fruit and slide it onto the stick. 1 grape, 1 banana, 1 kiwi. You can make a rainbow or try a pattern: red, green, yellow. Yum yum! Fruit kabobs are healthy and fun to eat. Let's sing together.
We made a kebab with fruit so bright, red and green and yellow delight. Strawberries, apples, bananas, grapes, and kiwi too. Healthy snacks for me and you. Yum, yum, yum. It's time to munch. Fruity fun for snack or lunch. Good for your body, sweet for your tummy. Healthy fruit makes everything yummy. So be a little chef today and eat your colored day. Fruit kabobs, hooray, hooray. We love fruits, hip, hip, hooray.
Great job, little friends. Don't forget to clean up and share with a friend.